John 2 Tower Formation Golf, time 2150 Zulu, wind 260 at 11. The weather is better than 5005. Temperature 29er, dew point 22, altimeter 29er, 80. Expect an ILS approach runway 20. Notice the airman taxiway Romeo 2 closed and 5G no tames are in effect for Johnson Airport. Advise owner should contact you at Golf. John 2 Tower Formation Golf, time 2150 Zulu, wind 260 at 11. The weather is better than 5005. Temperature 29er, dew point 22.
All right, so we got about an 11 knot, slight, almost direct crosswind.
Okay.
So that's what we're looking for.
What was the wind?
Say what?
What was the wind?
260 at 11.
Okay.
Tune ground, Skyhawk 5880 Echo at the hangars, requesting 2 touch and goes with information golf and run up.
Very good.
This is a 580 Echo, John Team Ground, runway 20, taxi via Romeo 3 Alpha. You can please run up on Alpha 4.
580 Echo, it's runway 20 via Romeo 3 and Alpha, run up on Alpha 4.
Very good.
Run up checklist. Brakes are on, fuel's on both. Trim is set for takeoff. Flight controls, ailerons working. Elevator's good. Rudder is ruddering. Okay, and instruments. Should be no airspeed within 5 degrees of bank and showing level. Altimeter is good, wings level, ball's in the middle, and heading should be 303, let's see, that's 270, so it'll be 260, I believe.
Okay.
Right into the wind. Oh no, I'm on the wrong side, so it'd be 280.
There you go.
There we go. Thanks for letting me correct myself. Mixture's rich. Primer's in and locked. Up to 1700 RPM. There it is. Mag test.
Is it?
Right. About a 100 drop.
You said 1700 RPM?
Oh, Jesus. That's 1200.
I had to stop you there because I wanted a good run up.
Oh, yeah, I know. What's wrong with me? About 200, 150, back to both. And about a 100, so that's all within parameters.
Okay.
And carb heat. Slight drop. Vacuum's good, amps volts are on 0, oil pressure's up, temps coming up, and idle. Throttle friction feels pretty good to me. Yeah, alright. Let's do our takeoff briefing now. Oh, wait, what's going on here? Before takeoff, here we go. Alright, confirm, we got our wind direction. If engine fails while on the runway, we apply brakes full stop. If engine fails after rotation, we have significant runway remaining. Glide back to the runway, land full stop, engine shutdown checklist. After rotation, without significant runway, we're going to look for the safest place to land within about 30 degrees. Horizontal, get to optimum glide speed, banks of less than 10 degrees. Then we're going to shut down, do the engine shutdown checklist. If it fails after rotation, we have at least 1,000 feet AGL. We're going to perform a 180-degree turn, glide back to the runway, land, and perform engine shutdown checklist.
Sounds good to me.
All right, so we are holding short, so we're going to swap over to tower.
Very good.
And all they need to know is we're holding short. Tune tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, holding short of runway 20 on Alpha 4.
5880 Echo, John Tune Tower, runway 20.4, cleared for takeoff, make right close traffic.
5880 Echo, clear for takeoff, runway 20, right close traffic.
Very good. Okay.
Rainier 599 approaching the end of runway 20, will be ready in sequence.
Rainier 599, John Tune Tower, hold short, runway 20, pending eye for release.
599.
All right.
We beat them. We just barely beat them.
Very good. So, go ahead. Remember, right, we have one other checklist after the run-up.
Out.
You're good. Go ahead.
Pre-takeoff, flaps 10, mixer's best,
Yep.
carb heat's off. We got landing lights on.
And then close your window.
Oh, good.
Yeah. And continue because once we have our takeoff clearance,
Yep.
we got it.
November 5880 Echo, John Tune Tower, say intentions.
Yep. Go ahead.
5880 Echo, we are taking off.
Yeah.
All right, flaps into the wind, or ailerons into the wind, airspeed's alive.
Yep. As you get faster, go neutral with the ailerons.
And we're at rotation. There we go. Pitching for 80. Oh, bumpy. Already, right off the bat.
Yeah.
There's 80, all right, now we're looking good.
Okay. All right. So, like I said,
Rainier 599, John Tune Tower, runway 20, cleared for takeoff, fly runway heading, traffic on the upwind Cessna, making right close traffic.
Okay, runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 20, Rainier 599.
yep. Before we go ahead and contact tower, make sure the run-up and pre-departure check is done. And if you want, you can commit it to memory, right? Because it's going to be the landing light beacon strobes on. If it's night, then nav light on.
Yeah.
Making sure windows are closed, and then making sure your seatbelts are fastened, and then you can go ahead and take off.
And
Rainier 599, contact departure, safe flight.
And
Order departure, 599, have a great day.
Yep. Yep. On that crosswind, just every now and then raise that lowered wing to see your relation with the runway, because you want that crosswind to be squared off.
Yeah.
Right, we're kind of flying at an angle.
We're ready
kind
when
of
you
like a mixed downwind, crosswind.
All right, we were a beam a second ago, so here we go. So, okay, this will give us a little bit of an extended approach.
Agreed.
And we are just in the arc. There's flaps 10. And we're going to stay at about 70 knots, 75. All right, probably plenty of good time to go ahead and turn base.
Fortitude 506, contact departure, safe flight.
For departure, 42506, see ya.
Alright, yeah, we were a little close. Go ahead and turn final. Oh, that crosswind moved us. I do not know what that was.
Yeah, I don't think she does either. Now, on the first one, I'm going to help you a little bit. I want you to feel my corrections that I add, right?
Okay.
So we know that our crosswind is from the right. So we need a little bit of right aileron.
Yeah.
When we add that right aileron, it's going to drift us to the right of the center line. So in order to line ourselves up with the center line, we're going to add a little bit of left rudder, right?
Okay.
Yep, so go ahead, more right aileron.
Yeah.
Yep, keep it coming down as usual. Yep, go power idle. Nose
Oh,
forward.
yeah, we bubbled there.
A little bit of left aileron like that. Not too much left aileron. I mean left rudder.
Oh.
And then undo the rudder pressure. Not entirely immediately. Sorry about that. Go ahead. Very nice.
Yeah, we got up to rotation speed pretty quickly there.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, I think I've felt that. That was definitely weird.
Yeah, it's a little bit different. And on the rollout, we want to kind of gently go kind of neutral rudder and then add the direction into the wind. Not opposite rudder, but just like gently go neutral a little bit. Okay. We'll do one more and then we'll depart for Springfield.
Traffic in sight.
Awesome.
No.
580.
So the traffic does appear to be at your 1 to 2 o'clock on final, about a 2-mile final.
580 Echo, we have traffic in sight.
November 80 Echo, runway 20, number 2, following traffic, cleared for the option.
580 Echo, number 2, following traffic, cleared for the option.
Okay, what's your beam?
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn base, or turn final early. To avoid that push from the wind. Alright, now we're going to let it just push us over. And good, flaps 20 degrees.
Exit at 683, turn left when able, contact ground 121.7.
Turn left, talk to ground, exec jet, 683.
Feel that crab is happening.
Follow the crab. Try and track runway heading. Yep. Try and track along the center line. And now reduce the power up to idle. Very good. And now round out as always. Very good. Yeah. Go around. Full power. Full power.
I got it. There we go.
Okay. All right. So one tidbit on the go-around procedure, if you're low to the runway, right, and you have flaps 20, not all the way up.
Okay.
November 580 Echo, when you're speeding out, the permits right turn out to the north-northwest is approved.
580 Echo, right turn to the northwest approved.
Citation 631 Juliet Delta, runway 20, clear for takeoff, fly runway heading, traffic on the upwind Cessna, making a right turn out.
Yeah, that was unexpected.
Clear for takeoff,
so when we
20, 631 Juliet Delta.
So when we go full power on the go-around, full power, right, carb heat, and then go up to flaps 10.
Gotcha.
Did you feel the sink back down to the runway after you put in all the flaps?
Yeah.
You put out all the props? Yeah. We want to avoid that aggressive sink. Go ahead and turn to the right.
Yeah. Almost there anyway. The bounce was a little unexpected. I felt like we were in a good roundout.
Yeah, I thought so too. So I was helping you out with the roundout a little bit. What happened was I thought that you were going to go ahead and continue the flare. So I relieved my back pressure to see if you would hold it.
Okay.
But
I did.
Yeah. So that's when we went down to the runway. But it's okay. Remember, once that we have that roundout, we're going to transition from the roundout
into
a flare.
Departure.
Right.
Departure. Thanks for your help, man. You have a great night.
You as well.
Yeah, I gotta remember that the nose attitude is going to look a lot higher than you expect it to.
Yep. All right, go ahead and give me a heading of 300. Yeah, visibility is not too great. So go ahead, set me up for Springfield, but we're not gonna fly to Springfield. We're just gonna go back to tune.
Okay.
My worst nightmare is we go to Springfield, visibility and weather gets worse, and then we're stuck at Springfield. Yeah, so go ahead, follow the scenario. It won't take too long.
All right, cool.
So show me how you would set up for Springfield.
Trying to remember. So the big guy goes to, we're descending back to 2000. We gotta stay below these clouds though.
Yep.
So I'm going to keep this at 2,300 because those look kind of close.
That's a good PIC decision. Okay. Keep 2,300.
And activate and activate.
Very good. Very good. So as soon as that happens, it's going to generate us a magenta line. What we're going to do is we're going to follow that magenta line. So as soon as...
But it didn't for some reason.
It did. We're just
way out of it, yeah.
Yeah, we're completely facing the other way. So the track to get to Springfield is 028, and that's our track, and that takes into account our weather, such as the wind. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, turn until I see the magenta line. There it is.
Yeah.
And then maneuver myself to intercept it. Does that make sense so far?
Yep.
Okay, your controls?
My controls?
You have controls?
I have controls.
So after you've generated your waypoint and you're flying to it, what would your next step be?
Let's see. I would then probably go ahead and tune my COM2 to the weather to get the weather. And then I would also bring up the CTAF, since it's non-towered, and tune into that as well.
Right.
And at 10 miles out, I'm going to announce myself. 5 miles out, announce myself, entering downwind, turning base, etc.
Very good. I like that. And don't forget, there's a checklist that includes all that, right? So the descent checklist includes getting your weather, putting in the frequencies, putting it into the GPS. And then when you're about to make your 10-mile call, go ahead, do your pre-landing before you do that. Right. Awesome.
Good deal.
So we'll fly around, we'll keep on this heading. And then when we get far away enough, we'll go ahead and do an approach back to tune for some more landings. And while we're here...
I like the hands.
Demonstrate to me a steep turn.
All right, steep turn. Pre-maneuver checklist, fuels on both. Mixture's rich, carb heat's in. We're going to turn all lights possible on.
Very good.
And make sure everything's level. Altimeter's good. Vertical speed 0. And we're heading is looking pretty good. Alright, so we'll say our heading was north. And here we go with the steep turn.
Okay.
30 degrees. Add that power.
Very good.
Trim back.
And then right there is the 45.
There's the 45.
Yep. Are you descending or are you climbing?
And back pressure.
There you go.
Back pressure. Woo, there's some G's. anticipate that. Climbing a little bit. Staying on course.
A little bit more bank.
A little bit more bank, yeah.
There you go.
And
all right.
There comes the rollout and down pressure.
Yep, and then to the right.
And then another one to the right.
Yep, very good. Back pressure is very good.
Oh,
not yet.
A little bit too early.
Yep. And roll out. Very good.
All right.
All right.
I think I stayed within 100 feet there.
Yeah.
Got a little up and down, but
Did you start at 2200 or 23?
I failed to note that.
Okay.
I think it was one.
If it was 22, it's a pass. If it was 23, then not so much pass. But
borderline.
Borderline. Awesome. So let's head back to Tune for some touch and goes.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo. We are 10 miles to the west over Ashland City, inbound for 3 touch and goes with information golf.
This is a 580 Echo John Tune Tower. Roger, report 5 miles west of the field. Expect to right downwind for 20.
5880 Echo, we'll report 5 miles out, and we'll enter right downwind for 20.
Awesome. Yeah, you can barely even see downtown.
Tune Tower, Skyhawk 5880 Echo, entering right downwind for 20.
Sky 80 Echo, runway 20, clear for the option.
5880 Echo, runway 20, clear for the option.
Very good.
Get all the way up here. Already abeam, so here we go, pulling carb heat. And there's 1500. And wide arc, flaps 10.
Yep, remember the crab. Kind of look at your runway and fly according to the runway.
Alright, let's go ahead and do our turn to base.
Okay.
Try and get around here quickly.
Oh. You don't need to do it too fast, right? Very good.
Flaps 20. Gonna go ahead and turn early.
Your mic is still on, by the way.
Oh, it is bouncing around every which way.
Very good. Nicely done. There you go. Don't overcut. Very good.
All right.
I don't think she knows her mic is on.
Sky 80 Echo, right close traffic is approved.
I And what should I?
Right close traffic approved.
5880 Echo, right close traffic approved.
Twin Tower Falcon 888 November Alpha is with you on the visual for runway 20.
Falcon 888 November Alpha John Tune, Tower Keys Air position.
All right. What I liked about that landing is even though we were right of center line, I only added a little bit of back pressure because I thought we were sinking a little bit too fast to the runway.
Yeah.
But once we were in the roundout, you held that roundout pressure into that flare. That was all you.
Yeah, I was trying to make sure and be cognizant of that.
Very good. That was much, much better.
Yeah, I can tell we are crabbing.
Uh-huh.
Slow us down. There we are in the arc. Nose down for that. It's airspeed 70. Alright, and there's Trash Mountain. Alright, gonna go ahead and turn final early.
Okay.
I'm liking that. I'm liking how I'm anticipating this drift.
Huh?
I feel good about that.
I think you're doing very well on that.
Not feeling great about the last little bit and just kind of fighting this wind.
Okay. Very nice.
Do a little Brian trick there.
Yeah, a little bit more left rudder. Not too much.
Oh, bubbled.
Yeah, go ahead, go full power.
Oh. Flaps 10, car
Very good. Nice. Yep. That's a good go around.
Right.
65, Brett. So we were maybe 20, 30 feet above the runway. I was seeing about 45 knots, and I wanted the approach to be more steady. Right, I want you to get a good feel of where that ground effect is. We kind of hit it and went back up.
Yeah. Just a little too much round out or too much back pressure.
Uh-huh.
And there's carb heat. There's flaps 10. Oh, there we go. Good turn base.
I think this is a valuable experience.
Yeah, this is definitely a little wild. Wow, it is pushing me all over the place. Alright, and we're already 65, flaps 20.
Uh-huh.
Remember that time. And turning early. That might still be a little late. Not too much spank. Oh, it is scooting us right over.
Very nicely done. Very good. This is a really, not too, very good. That's a good round out right there. And increased.
Oh,
not too
bounced.
much.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good.
That was a little crazy. All right, we doing one more?
Do you want to do one more?
Let's do one more.
Okay.
Why not? Yeah, what was all that left situation going on there.
Let's go ahead and rotate.
Yeah. Is that just the wind knocking us crazy?
So the wind is pushing us to the left, right?
Yeah.
So what happened was we added too much right rudder, and that brought us to the right side of the...
So the wind was getting under this wing?
Exactly, so that's why it pushed the right wing up.
Okay.
Right.
So I needed to be ailerons this way.
Exactly. So on the landing roll, I've been trying to kind of let you feel the aileron.
Yeah.
I'll get on with you to kind of demonstrate to you the landing roll.
All right.
The slower we go, the more aileron deflection we need.
Yeah, that got a little scary. I was like, shit, we're going over.
No, you're good. If I start freaking out, though, it's scary. We were heading to the right, but I knew if we let it kind of settle, we weren't getting off at a crazy angle to go to the grass. It was just going to stop. Remember, we have like a gusting 15, 11 knot from the right, pushing us to the left.
Yeah.
Right.
All right, there's 1200.
On the landing roll, it's a very important lesson to learn that when we're landing, we're going fast, right? So just like when you're on the highway, you don't make a big steering adjustment.
Yeah.
When you're landing, you don't make a big rudder adjustment. Because of our speed over the ground, it's going to make a very big impact.
Yeah.
So on the landing roll, very light. If you see that we're kind of skidding, very light pressures, right?
Slow us down with pitch. And there's the arc, 10 degrees. Pitching for 70.
Very good.
75. And 20 degrees.
When you're close to max demonstrated, then probably, yeah.
Turn a little early, not more than 30. Right.
Very good.
There we go. Oh, that is doing some craziness.
Very nice.
But that's all good.
Power idle.
It is. Oh, there it is. Just had a little bit more to go.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, we bubbled.
Very good. And then...
Yeah. Gotta remember to do that. All right.
You see that?
Yep.
No.
Ah, beautiful.
Very, very nice.
All right. Good times. Yeah, let's cool it off.
That was a very nice landing. Everything was you...
Skyg 80, are you going back to parking?
Affirmative, head back to the hangars.
Skyg 80, ready to turn left when able, taxi to parking via Alpha Romeo 3.
800 Echo, taxi via Alpha Romeo 3.
Yep, keep that crosswind in there.
Oh, yep.
That was very good. Everything, the approach to the roundout, to the flare, I hopped on with you kind of to demonstrate the landing, after landing, the correct.
All right, you want me to do...
Yeah, I'll take control. Let's go ahead and do the checklist.